So using year one prices, we have already calculated real GDP. Real GDP in year one using year one prices is equal to 3,000. Real GDP in year two is equal to 3,300. In order to calculate real GDP in per worker terms, we simply divide by the number of workers in year one and in year two. If we do so, we get that the output, the real GDP in per worker terms, are the same for both years. What is the labor productivity growth between year one and year two in the whole economy? Well, the labor productivity growth is the growth rate or the change in the real GDP in per worker from one year to another. So the labor productivity growth, let's call this a growth rate, subscript L for labor productivity growth, will be real GDP in per worker terms in year two over real GDP in per worker terms in year one minus 1 times 100%. And this will be 0%. So since real GDP in per worker terms are the same for both years, labor productivity growth is equal to 0.